So now let's understand how these 5 elements are integrated in any office or any manufacturing unit or any company where there is a project management process required. So the first thing, if we these 5 points that we have just talked can be expanded a little more by understanding some more additional points. So the first point is it brings effectiveness in the organization. The second one is there is agreement between customer as well as the person who will be doing the project. So there is clarity of what is the expectations between the two. And then it also helps us to understand our resources well, materials, men, both, So we will be able to analyze what resources we have, what we will be needing more. And then it also helps us to understand the costing part. We have already covered about the cost. And it also helps us understand the plan, the schedule, timeline for each and every activity. It's a sort of breakdown, of all the activities that we do. And it also helps us to understand and allocate the right resources, right? So if you have resources available, if you are, able to understand it well, documented it well, you will be in a position to deploy, your resources allocations in a proper way. And while doing all this activity, we also understand what are the risks and what are the rewards, right? And while doing everything, that is most important, and that is communication. If a project manager who is handling the project, who has the knowledge, he understands everything, effectively, he will be communicating about all the problems, all the resources, all the available information to every stakeholder in the project, and this will further improve teamwork. It will further improve, a kind of team spirit as well as communication between a variety of stakeholders, and efficiency increases. So, broadly, these are the reasons why, apart from the 5 that we discussed, these are additional, assets. So these are the points that motivate us to deploy project management in our management system, right? So this, whatever just we have discussed, can be summed up by simple using, some questions. For example, why, what, who, when, how, and how much. So why is about business. What is the business? Why do we do that? And what are we going to do? What are the criteria to be done? Who is going to do? When it will be completed? How it will be completed? And how much the cost will be. So whatever points that we have just discussed can be easily understood in these question markers. So with this, my friend, I complete my basic introduction about why we will be using project management in any system. And in our next video, we will talk about the basic process and the challenges that every project management or a manager faces while deploying project effectively. So in next video, we will learn about the project management processes and its challenges, and we will learn how to tackle those challenges as well. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel, share the video, do send your feedback and comments in the comment box below.